Hi everyone! Today we are going to be talking about spring planting. And it's called spring planting because that's the season we're in and the weather is cooler. So not all plants like to be planted in the spring, but there are some special ones that do. We've got peas, radishes, carrots, beets, arugula, lettuce, and spinach. Today we are going to plant leaves. So only plants that we would eat the leaves of. Can you guess which ones we're going to plant? We're going to plant 3. It's these 3. Here are our 3 seeds: spinach, arugula, and lettuce. And here are our spinach seeds. What do they look like to you? They almost look like little rocks to me. We have arugula. Again, they sort of look like pebbles. I wonder what you think. Also a little bit like round balls. And then we have our lettuce seeds, which are actually a little bit pointy. What do they look like to you? So we're out here in our garden bed where we are going to plant our spring greens. You can see there is already some plants growing in here. So let's see what we have. Does anyone know what the name of this one is? There's a purple version right here. It's kale. So we're going to label that. We also have a dark green leaf here that's enjoying the cool weather. Anyone know what that one is? You can see a ring of it. That is spinach that's already growing. And then we have some dark purple, a dark purple plant here, and a green and red plant here that we are going to be planting today as well. This is our lettuce. Let's get started. We're going to start with arugula, which we don't have growing in here yet. Okay, so first we're going to make a trench, and we're going to use our hands as a tool, or you could use a shovel. Then I'm going to take my seeds, and arugula seeds are so tiny, they actually like to be planted close together so that when you're done, you have a whole trench full of salad. So we're going to sprinkle our arugula seed just like this. I'm going to put the soil gently covering the arugula. We don't want to bury it too much because they're such small seeds. We're just going to gently cover it with the soil. And we can lightly pat where we planted. Again, we don't want to pat too hard because then our little seeds won't be able to grow out of the hard soil. Okay, so arugula is done. We're going to plant lettuce the same way, but over on the other side. So we just have one left, spinach. And we're going to put our spinach actually right in the middle in this ring of spinaches that we have. We are going to be planting our spinach seeds a little bit farther apart. Our spinach seeds like to be planted about 1 inch apart. So 1 inch is about, let's say, maybe my thumb, 2 fingers, about 2 fingers. So I'm going to plant my seeds. I'm going to plant 1 seed, I'm going to plant 2 fingers, and then plant another seed. We are also going to add a special ingredient to our spring lettuce, arugula, spinach, and kale bed, and that is some fish fertilizer. And this fish fertilizer adds nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to our little seeds and our growing plants. It smells like fish guts, but it's really good for your plants and your soil. And then we're done, and we're just gonna keep watching our spring plants grow.